Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Okeechobee Gardener. This morning, we'll walk here into the greenhouse. We'll go to greenhouse 1, and I'll show you what's going on. Almost full. As you see, there's nothing yet in here. Starting here, we see all the young lettuce been transplanted into the tubes, and see the different kinds. We have Rex here, we have Adriana here. This is our red incised. This, by the way, red incised makes a really good filler to put in a salad, or if you're doing bag lettuce for a market. We've got Muir here. That is Rex, which is a butterhead. This is called Cherokee. Just figured I'd show you what we've got going. We get down here. This is our Swiss chard. Swiss chard is coming along very nicely. We got Italian parsley. We have basil. Got a few dill. A little bit of arugula. Cilantro. So greenhouse 1 is almost full. We've got more room for some more here. And I got another tray here, another tube. This is all for herbs and herb-like things. That's my pump. Out there's my tank. Of course, that's the return. Being that we live in Florida, I hear people saying, I don't have problems with algae. Well, if you live in Florida, guess what? You're gonna have algae problems. Again, here's my wet table. This is pretty much where they all start. As you can see, I use Oasis cubes to start my lettuce in. Matter of fact, I pretty much use Oasis cubes to start everything. Reason, it's clean, it's easy, it's quick. You drop the seeds in and away you go. And I'm having problems with the camera focusing today. There we go. As you see, just using Oasis cubes. These are about a week and a half old here. These I just put out. Those I put out several days ago. This is greenhouse number 2, which is next to be prepared and ready for planting. We'll go out here to the pepper house, and Those are green peppers. You see some are doing well. And my banana pepper is not doing bad. We got got a banana pepper on it. Got some blooms. Now this poor little thing got eaten. I found one of those stupid worms on it. And I got another one right here. It will meet its master. Into that. Now, I am having some problems. Maybe CB from CB's Greenhouse and Gardens can help me by telling me what he thinks is going on with my peppers. You see, they're really not doing well. And it's not all of them, it's just a few of them. This one, I believe, has got something eaten on it too. And I'll have to investigate that. But this pepper here also, the new growth is really shriveled and dying. Hopefully CB can help me. Remember the CB Greenhouse and Gardens. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. This would be greatly appreciated. And I want you all to have a wonderful day and a good week. Thank you much. Bye-bye.